Hey there, I'm going to be sharing my recipe today for a classic and timeless dish called chicken adobo. I am documenting it here for my family and the world to see. Ready for the recipe? Here it goes. 1 pound chicken, 3/4 cup vinegar, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 tablespoons canola oil, a pinch of black pepper, 1 bay leaf, and 3/4 cup water. So it's a very simple recipe, but it is such a delicious dish. It's a national dish of the Filipino people. And I started cooking it about 10 years ago. And it is a recipe that could just keep getting repeated over and over again and shared. And the kids love it, the families love it, lots of protein. It could be eaten with rice, or you could go keto style and just eat it with tomatoes or a side of salad. That's what I do. So here we go. So this is the chicken here. This is 1 pound raw chicken wings. I'm just gonna put it in here. And all the ingredients that we talked about, I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it in here. There's the garlic, the soy sauce. There was the other ingredients. That was a bay leaf, a pinch of black pepper, and the sugar. So kind of just mix it all in there. And this is what it looks like. So if you put it on about a medium heat for about 20 to 30 minutes and frequently stir it, you'll have your adobo dish. The key thing about this dish that makes it so delicious is the idea of cooking of sauce reduction. And you can pretty much do that with any soy sauce based meal that you make, and it's basically reducing the sauce into about a consistency of syrup. If the meat is already cooked, you can put the meat out on the outside and put the meat back in, and then rebaste it, because who has time for marinating? So when the kids are hungry, they're hangry. They want their meals right away. So this is a great meal, the national dish of the Philippines, chicken adobo. So I'm just going to walk over and put it on the fire. For the purpose of this video, I have a surprise for you. I have already cooked the dish, and I made 2 pounds of it. And 2 pounds will probably feed a family of 5 with some rice. And here we go. So here it is, chicken adobo. And if you can see the sauce there, it's reduced. And I'll bring it a little bit closer for you to see. Top with the bay leaf. It's a delicious dish. The kids are gonna be happy tonight. I have taught them to make this over and over again. Hey, who knows if they retained my teaching for it or not, but now it's documented on video. So whenever they wanna make it when they get older and have their own families, all they have to do is pull me up on Facebook or YouTube. I'm on YouTube, Lady Shake and Bake. Sophia, my daughter, made me a channel, and you could look me up for some unique recipes, Lady Shake and Bake. I got a surprise for you. So with the same recipe, I had made it into mahi adobo. So these are for the ladies or gentlemen that are on keto diets. So these are 2 mahi fillets, and the sauce is reduced, and it's the exact same ingredients that I use to cook the chicken adobo. So that's about, I would say, like 20 to 25 grams of protein each fillet. It's really delicious. I have another surprise for you. It ain't over yet. I I was at the gym today talking about my recipe with one of my friends, and her name is Aki, and she is a vegetarian. So I asked her if she wanted the recipe for the chicken adobo, and she said that she doesn't eat meat or chicken. So I said, what do you eat? And she said that she eats tofu, beans, and nuts, and she is in such great shape. So she asked me, made a suggestion to use tofu and make tofu adobo. So that's what I did. So Aki, this is for you, girl. It's tofu adobo. So basically this is extra firm adobo, extra firm tofu made into adobo. And I just cooked it, the tofu, about 5 or 10 minutes. Took out the tofu and reduced the sauce like I did with the other ones. And then put the tofu back in. And here we go. Vegetarian adobo tofu. This is for you, Aki. It's a simple dish. Try it out. Well, that completes my segment for chicken adobo and some other side dishes and how to use the same sauce and apply it to fish and tofu, and they're all really delicious. And check me out for my next video. Let's see what I'm going to do next. I don't know. Whatever is convenient. Thank you.